Hi, everyone. Today I'm going to talk about how you can get into UX design without a design background. So many people are asking us, how to get into the design industry if they don't have a design background. So actually last video, you can also search for it. It's about what the hell is UX. So because right now, a lot of people are referring to UX as UX and UI, right? But I don't know how many of you actually know that within the UX industry, there are actually many different roles. You might have heard of terminologies like user researcher, user testing, and then information architect, and interaction design, and also visual design. So I would say that actually in very large companies like Google, Facebook, and all those big guys, the UX role is actually chopped into different specialties. So there are people who have full-time jobs just becoming a UX researcher or user researcher, or people who have a full-time job in just visual design, or people doing full-time work in interaction design. So although they're all related, they're under the same umbrella of the UX process. In smaller companies, for example, for tech startups, they would usually expect you to be able to do everything. Of course, it's actually very hard for one person to be able to be good at everything. Usually, the different roles have different kind of specialties and skill sets. So if you want to know more about how your skill sets could fit into the bigger part of the user experience process, I have an online workshop coming up that you may be able to join, and we can tell you more about, how different skill sets from different industries, like from marketing, computer science, technical writing, or even psychology, can actually come into UX in different ways.